How to remove Instagram search suggestion when typing. Instagram search suggestion can get super annoying because maybe you don't want to go and see somebody who keeps popping up when you go and start searching something. Maybe they're an ex, or it could be for whatever reason. So all you need to do is come to the bottom of Instagram and go click on the search like so. On the explore page, go and click on search at the top. So as an example, I'm going to go and type in this. So what you need to do is go and click on the account like so. From here, I need to go to the top right and click on the three dots. Then I need to go and click on block. So this is the way we're doing it. You do have to go and block the user. So confirm your decision. After you've got and blocked them, the name that I searched is no longer appearing and that account isn't being shown there. It's that simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.